Best synthetic oil. Are you looking for the best synthetic oil? In this video we will look at some of the best synthetic oil on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Editor's Pick, Royal Purple High Performance Synthetic Oil. Many of the brands featured in this list are widely recognized and trusted within the automotive community, but Royal Purple stands out for its strong reputation among high-performance vehicle owners. Known for producing premium synthetic oils, Royal Purple ensures that its products meet rigorous standards. Their oils carry current API, American Petroleum Institute, and ILSAC, International Lubricant Standardization and Approval Committee, engine oil licenses, as well as the GM DEXOS 1 certification for gasoline engines, confirming their compatibility with modern vehicles and engines. Royal Purple synthetic oil is formulated with advanced additive technology designed to reduce metal-to-metal contact inside the engine, exceeding the requirements of both GM DEXOS 1 and ILSAC GF5 specifications. This results in improved fuel efficiency and enhanced protection for sensitive exhaust emission components. Additionally, the oil includes patented anti-wear chemistry that helps minimize the corrosive and damaging effects exhaust gases can have on catalytic converters. For those using fuel blends containing ethanol, Royal Purple is an excellent choice. Its specialized additive package helps prevent common issues associated with higher ethanol concentrations, such as the formation of white sludge and temporary lubrication starvation, ensuring the engine continues to perform smoothly under a variety of fuel conditions. While Royal Purple synthetic oil is priced higher than many other options on the market, it remains one of the most popular and highly rated synthetic oils available today. Its combination of high-performance protection, fuel efficiency benefits, and long-term engine care makes it a favorite among enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike who want reliability, efficiency, and peace of mind for their vehicles. Number 2. Best for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil. For those who own a diesel engine and are looking for a high-quality synthetic oil, Shell's Rotella series is an excellent choice. Designed to meet the demanding needs of modern diesel engines, Rotella offers a noticeable performance upgrade over conventional 15W30 oils. Users may see fuel economy improvements of up to 2.8%, making it not only a protective option but also an efficient one. At the heart of this oil is Shell's Triple Protection Plus formula, which combines fully synthetic base oils with advanced additives to deliver comprehensive engine protection, reduce wear, and extend overall engine life. Rotella synthetic oils are specially engineered with additive technology to defend against the damaging effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants that accumulate during normal diesel engine operation. This helps ensure that critical engine components remain cleaner and better protected over time. Another key feature of Rotella T6 is its exceptional shear stability, which helps the oil resist viscosity breakdown even under high stress, maintaining consistent oil pressure and ensuring reliable lubrication throughout the engine. This makes it particularly suitable for diesel-powered vehicles operating in challenging conditions, including cold northern climates where oil performance is critical at startup. Rotella T6 is ideal for commercial trucks, heavy-duty pickup trucks, and other diesel-powered vehicles that specify an SAE 5W30 oil. By combining superior protection, fuel efficiency, and reliable performance, Shell Rotella synthetic oil has become a trusted choice for professional drivers and everyday diesel enthusiasts alike. Its ability to protect engines from wear while maintaining optimal performance makes it one of the most recommended synthetic oils for diesel applications today. Number 3. Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1's Extended Performance Synthetic Oil is formulated with an advanced full synthetic blend designed to deliver long-lasting engine protection and superior performance. Its precise formulation helps prevent the buildup of harmful deposits and sludge, keeping engines cleaner for longer and contributing to extended engine life. By maintaining stable oil viscosity even under demanding conditions, this synthetic oil ensures consistent lubrication across all critical engine components, reducing wear and helping your engine run more smoothly over time. One of the standout features of Mobil 1 Extended Performance is its carefully engineered additive package, which provides a balanced combination of anti-wear, friction-reducing, and performance-enhancing properties. This combination ensures excellent overall lubrication and protection in a wide range of operating environments, from stop-and-go city driving to high-temperature highway conditions. The oil's superior thermal and oxidation stability helps prevent breakdown and degradation over time, giving your engine reliable protection for longer oil change intervals. In addition, this synthetic oil performs exceptionally well in low-temperature conditions, allowing for quicker starts in cold weather and faster delivery of protective lubrication throughout the engine. This rapid protection minimizes wear during startup, one of the most critical times for engine components, and helps ensure longer-lasting engine performance. Overall, Mobil 1 Extended Performance Synthetic Oil offers a blend of long-lasting cleanliness, reliable wear protection, and stable performance across temperature extremes. Its combination of advanced synthetic technology and premium additives makes it an excellent choice for drivers seeking both peace of mind and extended engine longevity, keeping engines running efficiently and smoothly in a variety of driving conditions. Number 4. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil is crafted using the company's innovative Pure Plus gas-to-liquid technology, a patented process that transforms pure natural gas into a high-quality, full synthetic base oil. This approach produces a base oil that is approximately 99.5% pure, containing far fewer impurities than traditional oils derived from crude oil. When paired with Pennzoil's high-performance additive system, this oil helps engines run cleaner and more efficiently, potentially providing up to 550 extra miles per year in fuel economy compared to engines using conventional oils that accumulate deposits. This synthetic oil is particularly well suited for modern turbocharged engines, offering advanced protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, a phenomenon that can cause serious engine damage under certain conditions. Its superior flow characteristics also ensure rapid lubrication during cold starts, even in extremely low temperatures, protecting critical engine components from wear. In high heat conditions, Pennzoil Platinum resists evaporation better than many conventional oils, helping maintain consistent performance and engine protection. Another key advantage of this oil is its ability to keep pistons exceptionally clean. Tests show that engines using Pennzoil Platinum maintain pistons up to 50% cleaner than the standards required by Sequence IIIH, one of the most demanding industry benchmarks for cleanliness and deposit control. This motor oil meets or exceeds numerous manufacturer specifications and approvals, including FCA MS 6395, Chrysler MS 13340, Ford WSSM 2C946B1, GM Dexos 1 Gen 2, Honda/Acura HTO06, and Volvo. It surpasses the requirements of API-SN+, API-SN-RC, ILSAC GF5, and ASIA A1/B1 standards, making it a highly versatile, high-performance synthetic oil suitable for a wide range of vehicles and driving conditions. Number 5. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil. For drivers looking to extend the life of engines with higher mileage, Mobil 1 offers a specially formulated full synthetic oil designed for engines with more than 75,000 miles. This high-mileage oil provides excellent overall lubrication and superior wear protection, outperforming Mobil 1's conventional high-mileage options. Its advanced formula helps protect critical engine components, reduces sludge and deposits that often accumulate over time with traditional oils, and helps maintain overall engine cleanliness. Additionally, the oil's formulation includes elements designed to prevent leaks, a common issue in older engines as seals age and harden. Mobil 1's high-mileage synthetic oil utilizes a proprietary blend of high-performance synthetic base oils engineered to provide up to 500,000 miles of proven engine protection. To further support longevity, the oil contains a boosted level of seal conditioner, which helps keep rubber engine seals flexible and intact. Over time, seals can shrink or harden, causing leaks. This additive helps prevent that, preserving oil integrity and engine performance. The product is available in multiple viscosities, each designed to meet or exceed stringent industry standards. Depending on the grade, this oil meets or surpasses API certifications including SN+, SN, SM, and SL, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of modern engines. Certain formulations also comply with ACA standards such as A1/B1, A3/B3, and a 5/B5, further demonstrating its versatility and high-performance capabilities. Overall, Mobil 1 high mileage full synthetic oil provides an excellent combination of engine protection, cleanliness, and leak prevention, making it a reliable choice for owners of older or higher mileage vehicles who want to maintain performance and extend engine life.